Meet Lucky McCookie, the cutest beginner shamrock cookie. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. If you're new to sugar cookie decorating or you just want to catch that leprechaun, you're in luck. Today we're decorating these adorable beginner-friendly sugar cookies, and all of the supplies and everything you need are listed in the description. And to start out, we're just going to outline our shamrock. I'm using a 15-second royal icing in green, and I'm just going to stay as close to the edge as I can, touching down or making a loop at each point, and then lifting my piping bag slightly and continuing on as close to the edge as I can. It's okay to stop and start and turn your cookie if you need to. And then using that same royal icing, I'm just going to flood this cookie in. I can go all the way up to the edge, or I can leave a little gap and use my scribe to settle the icing down and push it over to the edge, making sure that it doesn't overflow. If you're using a 15-second royal icing consistency, you can flood all the way up to the edge. And while the icing's still wet, I have some candy eyes that I'm just going to plop right into my royal icing. But not to worry, my scribe will fix it right up, and we will try again. This time, using my fingers, even though they got into the icing a little bit, I can still fix that right up. And if your eyes aren't perfectly placed, just scooch it over with your scribe. And then grab your pink icing, also in a 15-second consistency, and put 2 dots for cheeks right into the wet green icing. And then if you need to, grab your scribe and using an up and down motion, just gently tap it until it settles down into the green icing. And then I actually let my cookies dry overnight, and I'm coming right back in with my black icing in about a 15 to 20-second consistency, and I'm just going to draw a mouth connecting the 2 pink dots. And here it is again. Now these shamrocks are adorable, but they're kind of giving me a froggy vibe, so what do you think? Sham frogs? Either way, they're absolutely adorable, packaged up in a little sleeve, and they make the perfect St. Patrick's Day gift or a little treat for the leprechaun. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, may your icing be smooth and your luck be plentiful. Bye for now.